The residents of MAWLAI had yet again taken to the streets on the last day of the show cause notice issued by the Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills against 6 leaders of Ksknm MAWLAI. At a gathering adjacent to the MAWLAI petrol pump, family members of late CHERISTERFIELD THANGKHIEW, NGO leaders and the general public were witnessed to have been brandishing the KHASI knife called the TARI DAAB at the knife surrender rally and laying it down as a mark of protest against the government's delayed action into the suspension of those involved into the killing of the late surrendered HNLC leader on the 13th of August this year. The rally proceeded from MAWLAI petrol pump and culminated at MAWLAI bus stand.
No retreat! No retreat! We won! We won! We won! We won!
Joga sur Ksknm MAWLAI, telah kentu lagerpa limbah nega korpit sama.